EveryDollar zero-based budgeting is a budgeting method where every single dollar of your income is assigned to a specific category or expense. This approach ensures that you are making conscious financial decisions and allocating your resources effectively. To get started with EveryDollar zero-based budgeting, follow these steps. First, calculate your total monthly income from all sources. This includes your salary, investments, and any side hustles. Next, list out all your expenses, including fixed expenses like rent and utilities, and variable expenses like entertainment and groceries. Now, assign every dollar of your income to a specific category. Start with essential expenses like housing, food, and transportation. Then, allocate funds to savings and debt repayment. Finally, assign any remaining dollars to discretionary expenses like hobbies and travel. A key concept in EveryDollar zero-based budgeting is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income towards essential expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. For example, if you earn $5,000 per month, you would allocate $2,500 towards essential expenses, $1,500 towards discretionary spending, and $1,000 towards saving and debt repayment. By following this approach, you can ensure that you are making the most of your money and achieving your financial goals. Best practices for EveryDollar zero-based budgeting include regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget, avoiding impulse purchases, and prioritizing needs over wants. By following these steps and best practices, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial stability.